Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to scan QR code on CapKit. So in order to scan QR code on CapKit, you need to follow these steps. So what here you need to do is on this page, first of all, you want to open up your CapKit application. So when you are logged into your CapCut account, this is where the interface will take you. Also make sure that you have the updated version of the CapCut. And next you want to click on the Me section from the bottom of the page. And when you go to the Me section, then you could just click on the icon or the gear icon at the top right. And there you have the section, right? So what you could do is on this page, you could just simply go ahead and click on scan. There you have, and then you could enable the permissions for the scan, and right over here when you are done enabling it, you could then go ahead and keep or just scan it. So, and that is how you could scan QR code on CapCut. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.